Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Hello! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today ay meron tayong napaka-exciting na video because we are going to do an unboxing, and kung hindi niyo pa alam, unboxing video is one of my favorite video to film. And today's unboxing is going to be from Jeulia Jewelry. It's actually the third time na nag-collaborate kami, and the last two times I was very impressed with the quality of their products. So now, sa pangatlong pagkakataon, I have high expectations already. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to Jeulia for sending me through this. It is going to be a true unboxing because I have been very patient. Natanggap ko to siya a couple of days ago, pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto kong i-unbox in front of you para makita niyo yung true reaction ko pag makita ko yung product. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Oh my goodness. Okay, right off the bat, this is what you're going to see. Jeulia Jewelry Premium Artisan Jewelry. Ayan yung kanilang website, joveyawitin.com. And makikita nyo lahat ng kanilang mga collections. Next one is this. Stop. Read before removing jewelry tag. Ganyan. May mga details kung ano yung kailangan gawin. Kasi if you buy something from them, they will accept return. However, kailangan may mga tags, and also you have to read this one. Next one is the paper bag. Sobrang cute kasi meron ding nakaprint na pangalan nila. Sobrang liit. Oh my god. Yan. And then, the moment that I have been waiting for, ayan siya. Even the box, meron din siyang nakasulat ng Jeulia. Oh my god. Ayan. So that's it for the box. Whew. Okay. So, revealing. Oh my god. The item that I chose this time is an engagement ring. Oh my god. Okay, so dalawa pala siya. So ito yung wedding band at ito yung engagement ring. Look at this. Look at that ring. Oh, napakakinang. So actually this is not real diamond, guys. On their website they're saying that they're using Jeulia stone. So it's a special stone. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, napakaganda ng kanyang style. We'll see if it will focus. Ayan. Ayan. And then, oh my god, this is the best. Look at this. It's the engagement ring. Look at that stone. Ay, nakakasilaw na stone. Ayan, bato ni Darna. Diyos ko, Lord. Napakaganda niya. Tingnan niyo, super clear, di ba? So, that's them together, guys. Look. So, this particular one is called the Jeulia Halo Cushion Cut Sterling Silver Ring Set. Nakakasilaw ang kanyang kinang. Oh my lord. So, let's put it on para makita natin yung kanyang beauty. So, at the moment, that's mine. As you can tell, I'm very into jewelry. Lahat ng kumikinang. So, I'll take that off. We're going to put the band first. Super sparkly niya. Grabe. So, I'm in size 6. I could probably get away with size 5.5. You see, this one is still may space pa rin siya. But, I thought kasi malapad yung kanyang band ba. Minsan, napaka-tight na kapag 5.5. And then, will you marry me? Oh my God. Pag may nagtanong sa inyo, will you marry me? Tapos ganito kalaki yung bato. Ayan. Yes! I will marry you. Oh my God. Grabe naman yarn. Hala. Sana mag-focus siya. Wasi. Oh my God. Look at that beautiful ring. Mas maganda to siya tingnan kapag daylight. Tapos, under the sunlight. For sure, magkinang-kinang to siya.
I think my marijuana.
Center na stone like gumagawa siya ng illusion na mas malaki siya because of these little stones sa sides na kung tingnan nyo siya mas lalong malaki. Oh my God, hindi ako makaget over. Wala, ito na lang muna yung susuotin ko. Have a look at that, sobrang ganda niya. Grabe, I can rock this. Alis ng bahay. Sino ka dyan? It's going to be Mother's Day soon. So, kung sino man sa inyo dyan ang naghahanap ng idea para ibigay sa kanilang mga nanay, sa kanilang mga asawa, then you know where and what to get. Because with jewelry, you can't go wrong. Jeulia Jewelry will be running a promotion for the upcoming Mother's Day. So they will do a 15% off your purchase. Of course, we have a code for you. I will put all the information that you need below in the description box. And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.